hiking Whiskeytown Falls. The hike is entirely uphill. I think there's 700 something feet of elevation gain that we'll get throughout the hike. I'm having a little applesauce as snack number 1. I think we're like halfway there. It's hard. We have about 0.5 miles left until we're at the waterfall. I know there's like one more big hill coming up, but we're prepared, taking a little rest before we hit it. We made it to the falls. It is absolutely gorgeous. We hung out for a little bit and we're gonna have a Rice Krispie treat before we head back down.